Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are making Patta Gobi the Sabji or cabbage curry. For this recipe, we're going to need cabbage or Patta Gobi, onion, tomatoes, peas, potato, curry patta or curry leaves, ginger, mustard seeds, Jeera or cumin seeds, salt, Heeng powder or Asafoetida, turmeric powder, red chili powder, green chili whole, Garam Masala, and oil. Alrighty, so I already add oil in a pan and turn on the stove on medium high. Seems like our oil is ready, and we're gonna add our mustard seeds in there. Let it splatter. Whenever you cook the cabbage, make sure there is enough ginger you're using or Asafoetida you're using, because somehow it has a tendency, it's a cold side, so as long as you add Asafoetida and the ginger to balance that out, it'll be good. Sometimes some people have a problem with that. We can add our Jeera or cumin seeds in there. This time we're not adding Asafoetida and at the first. We're gonna wait for. Now we can lower a little bit, and now we're adding our onions. Because this will make an entire difference if you're adding things differently. You can believe it, but yeah, it is. Okay. Because it gives you different. At this point, we can add our ginger. You can add less or more. But for this, yes, I am using a lot. I love ginger anyway, so things without ginger, I don't know. Now we're adding our Heeng powder. Heeng powder is adding entire different flavor and a taste to it, and also health benefit. So for this recipe, I am using good 2 to 3 pinch. You can use less or more, but I'm choosing that. So adding our tomatoes, because this time we're not making our onions dark brown. Why I'm adding that much Heeng powder or Asafoetida, because I wanted to get that flavor. Okay, we are adding our salt and red chili powder. Red chili powder add really nice color to it, and salt help cooking quickly. Look at that, this is beautiful color. And now we're gonna add our turmeric powder. It has a little bit Heeng powder in this, so. We're adding our green peas. Here is our potatoes. I cut it in small cubes because our cabbages cook so quickly, so I want them to be cooked the same way. This is just one small potato. I cut it in cubes. If you cook your cabbage this way, it's like more vegetables in there, and it tastes so delicious, because I honestly never liked the cabbage before. Since I make this way, I loved it. At this point, we're gonna add our curry leaves so we can get the flavor. So I am adding green chili pepper. If they are very spicy, very hot, don't use like 4. I don't mind because my family, they like it, so they can eat it anyway. So I'm adding it, just add the, like, it makes it more prettier. That's what I feel, and it's just green chili pepper's flavor is really good. I washed my cabbage after I chopped them and then let it like dry for a little bit, so that way it won't leave that much water in the pan. Sometimes I leave a lot of water, so I am not using the water in there. So it's gonna cook with its own water. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna cover it and cook for a little, and heat is the same. It's not, I did not change the heat to low or anything, so it's still medium. So let's cover it, and then we're gonna cook for a little bit, then we'll check back if our potatoes are done. So we're gonna cover it for a little bit, leave a little space in there. Alright, I will be back. So let's check it. Alrighty, so as I said, even I try to dry the water, but you can still see a lot of water in there. So let's check it if our potatoes are ready. No, it's not. So we're gonna cook a little more. I'm gonna add the garam masala in there. Let's cover it and wait for our potato cooking. We'll be back. Alrighty, let's check it. Oh my god, that looks good. Alrighty, it seems like, let's check that potato. Yes, so here is, our potatoes are soft enough and our cabbage is cooked and it's good to go. It looks very yummy. I'm not adding too much things in there now, because usually we can use cilantro. If you like it, you can use that too, but I think I am gonna enjoy the flavor of curry leaves because it makes entire difference. Also, you can get the flavor of those green chili pepper I added in there. As I said, if you feel like it's too spicy, you can skip one of them. It's not necessary, because red chili I add, that's not hot, it's mild, so it's just for color. Alrighty, so let's plate it. Okay, here is our super delicious Patta Gobi or cabbage curry ready to eat. You can eat with naan, chapati, paratha or rice. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon to get a notification for our upcoming videos. I will see you with the new video. Until then, enjoy.